Hey guys, how is it going? Today I'm going to unbox something that I found pretty interesting. And I think it will be interesting for you also. Besides that, I think this product is also very useful. So let's check it out. Today we have ICY DOCK M.2 adapter to SSD. And let's check it out. Let's unpack this product first. It was in this packaging. The packaging is simple, nothing too interesting or intriguing about it, but this doesn't matter the most. The most important part is what's in the box and how we can use it. Let's open the box, and as we can see, the adapter is in the box, as well as the user manual. The user manual comes in several languages, and it will be useful for you to properly set up your adapter the way you want, and it has some pictures that will help you out to properly install it. So this is the main product that I'm holding in my hands right now. So this is M.2 SATA SSD to 2.5 form factor SATA SSD converter. The form factor, in my opinion, is the standard SSD form factor which most of the people use. I personally have SSD in my computer which has the same port as this one, so that means it'll work the same way. You can install it the same way as the normal SSD. As we can see, we can open this adapter by moving this part in front, and now we can see what's inside. Inside the adapter, we can already see the M.2 SSD port and some plastic parts which says adjustable, so you can adjust it any way you want for your preferred M.2 SSD. I've seen some adapters on the internet, but what I like about this is that the size and the form is the same as the normal SSD, so you can install it the same as the normal SSD. You can adjust it for your M.2 size, and it's clamping when it's going to the right size. We also have some screws how we can mount it, and just like that, okay, we found out how the product looks. Now the interesting part is how it works, how it connects to the computer, and we'll get to that right now. Using this adapter doesn't need any advanced computer knowledge or any advanced computer parts knowledge. You just need to open up your computer, take your M.2 SSD, and slide it into the corresponding port in the adapter. After you connected your M.2 SATA to the adapter, and might I mention, this adapter only works for M.2 SATA SSDs and not for M.2 NVMe SSDs. We can push the M.2 SSD and the clamp will hold it firmly, so the M.2 won't fall out from the adapter. Now the next part we need to do is find the port for SSDs, which is located inside your computer. You'll need your SATA cable to connect it into the motherboard, and then connect that SATA to the adapter. As you can see, this M.2 adapter literally has the same kind of ports as my currently used SSD, which is amazing. I can just replace my SSD and place this adapter instead of my SSD. Also, if you have SATA to USB adapter, you can take your M.2 anywhere and use your adapter as the external hard drive, which is kinda quite comfortable. Now we connect the adapter to the corresponding SSD slot, and we screw the adapter with the screws that are in the package. We can close down the computer, just make sure everything is correctly done. I already set it up, and as you can see, the PC found the M.2 drive inside the SSD in the adapter, and you can see that on partitions panel, the driver will recognize your device immediately, and then you can use your M.2 with fast and reliable speed. So in my opinion, it's quite easy. Anyone can use this adapter the way they want. They can carry it, use it as external drive, or put it in their computer and see how efficiently it works. You can just use your M.2 without having an M.2 slot on the motherboard. I hope you found this video informational and useful. That was it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.